Awesome traders, congratulations to me on the comment section. We did it. After 4 months of challenging ourselves, allowing our bot to hustle on our behalf in the forex market, here we are with a whopping $390,000 withdrawal. Congratulations to me again on the comment section. It's not easy to exercise patience for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, right? 2 months, 3 months, allowing the bot to do the work. But I can proudly tell you it was the risk, and also all the people that was trading with us. There's nobody that go home without winning, without making money with us. I've decided to withdraw everything to move to the next chapter. You know, we released the latest version of our community bot, Ekan Trades Kappa AI bot, about 2 months ago, and the results have been so great. Every day, both our pro users, our standard users are winning every day. 2%, 3%, 4%. Some days we make up to 5%. Some days we make up to 7%. You know, and I've decided to fund my account to start a new challenge again. You know, and if you don't want to miss out, I think this is the right time to join us. If you check this account here, I've took part of my profit to deposit on this account. If you notice here, I deposited $10,000 here. You know, I'm currently testing the bot. You know, we will link the bot on Monday, but let's see what we did. I deposited on this account. You know, this is my deposit, you know, of $10,094. You know, and I'm currently testing the new bot that we want to use on this account. This is a test. You know, I'm just testing, you know, on this account because the bot is meant for gold trading. You can see the bot name, Ekan Trades Kappa AI. I was testing to see if everything is working perfectly fine. You know, my target on this account here is to make 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. I'm currently I have over $10,000 here. So if I'm making 10%, sorry, if I'm making 5% in a day, that's $500. If I'm making 2%, that's $200. If I'm making 8%, that is $800. If I'm making 10% in a week, that is about $1,000. If I'm making 20% in a week, that's about $2,000, which is not bad at all. If you wish to challenge yourself to join us, kindly reach out to us right now. Before we can go, let's see the bot interface on my laptop. Let's see how the bot look like. Let's check this out together. Boom. You can see how flexible the bot interface look like. Ekan Trades Kappa AI bot. You know, it's fully ready. This is the bot settings. Here are the settings. Very flexible, very flexible, very flexible. Everything is 100% in place. And you can see the bot comment, Ekan Trades Kappa AI bot. This particular trade you're testing to see if everything is in place. And yeah, the bot is not for BTC. When market open on Monday, we will start trading on this account. You know, so if you're tired of blowing your account, losing money to the market every day, you can join us. And the best part is that you only need a minimum of $100 to join us. And if you can deposit up to $5,000, $10,000, all in your hands, as long as the market is open, we are sure of winning. If we can do this for complete 4 months and start again, and all our members winning every day, I don't think there's anything that's going to make you left behind. You know, so kindly reach out to us right now. Let's see how we can, you know, achieve some great target together. I'm sure we will definitely win out again on this particular account. Please don't forget, I remember your friend Ekan the Trader. So if you wish to join us, reach out to us right now. Check the video description. You'll see my WhatsApp number. Reach out to us. Let's see how we can win and eat from the market every day. Bye for now.